Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make amazing stir-fry egg noodles right in your own kitchen. First, let's get those noodles ready. Whether you choose fresh or dried, cook them until they're just right, not too soft. Immediately rinse them with cold water to halt the cooking process, and then toss them with a small amount of oil. This simple step ensures your noodles stay perfectly separate and don't clump together, which is key for a great stir-fry. Next up, let's prepare our vibrant vegetables and protein. Think about a rainbow of colors for both visual appeal and nutrition, like crisp bell peppers and tender snap peas. Make sure to cut everything into similar, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. For your protein, whether it's chicken, shrimp, or tofu, slice it thinly and consider a quick marinade for at least 15 minutes. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor that truly elevates your stir-fry. Now for the exciting part, the stir-frying technique. Get your large wok or skillet screaming hot over high heat. You want it to be smoking slightly. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil such as peanut or canola oil. First, stir-fry your protein until it's fully cooked, then set it aside. Next, add your harder vegetables like carrots, cooking them for about 1 minute before adding softer ones. Keep everything moving quickly until they are crisp tender. Finally, let's bring it all together with our delicious sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, a dash of oyster sauce, a few drops of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. Return your cooked protein and the prepared noodles to the wok with the crisp vegetables. Pour that amazing sauce over everything and toss quickly to ensure every strand of noodle and every piece of vegetable is beautifully coated. Cook for just 1 or 2 more minutes, and your incredible stir-fry egg noodles are ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.